By some estimates, AI labs have already trained on most of the useful text on the public internet. So what happens when the data runs out? The answer is, we make more. Hi, I'm Mira. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn what the data drought is, how synthetic data generation works, and why it may decide who wins the AI race. Modern AI models are trained on enormous amounts of text, images, and code. But high-quality human-made data is finite, and we are consuming it faster than we create it. Every new model generation demands several times more training data than the last. The internet, for all its size, grows far more slowly than that. Researchers at Epoch AI estimate that high-quality public text data could be effectively exhausted around 2028. That deadline is what people call the data drought. Synthetic data starts with a seed of real examples. A generator model produces new samples in the same style. A quality filter scores and prunes them. The survivors join the training set. Real data is finite, expensive, and full of personal information. Synthetic data is effectively unlimited, cheap, and can be generated privacy-free. But it carries its own risk, called model collapse. Model collapse is the photocopy problem. Train a model on another model's output again and again, and errors compound while diversity quietly drains away. So far, so good. The data is running out, and synthetic data can fill the gap. Now let's look at who is actually doing this today and how well it works. Adoption is already broad. Around 60% of computer vision teams use synthetic imagery. Robotic simulators generate endless trials. Finance uses synthetic transactions, and healthcare synthetic patient records. 3 reasons it works. Coverage, because you can generate the rare edge cases real data misses. Labels come free, because the generator knows the ground truth. And privacy, because no real person sits behind the record. One popular technique is distillation. A large teacher model writes millions of high-quality answers like this one, and a smaller student model trains on them, inheriting much of the skill at a fraction of the cost. So remember, high-quality public data could run dry around 2028. Synthetic data fills the gap through a generate and filter loop. And careful filtering is what keeps model collapse at bay. That's the data drought and the synthetic pipeline racing to outrun it. If this helped, share it with a friend who follows AI. See you in the next lesson.